So what's the main thing bothering you today?
My right shoulder blade, like around it, it's been really tender.
Right shoulder blade. We do have some rotation up there, but we shall address all of that. Deep breath in. Out. As little as possible.
Chill days.
Yeah. Nice. Oh yeah. Well, they just went to the movies. Nice. Like you're desensitized because you've got it in there so much.
Ooh.
There we go. See how this is moving today. Ooh. Wow.
Oh. Yeah, it was huge. Oh my gosh. Felt like a release.
I hope so. So for all the viewers, when you do an elbow, you don't want to go up that way or you'll dislocate it or hyperextend it. You got to go sideways. That. People get all freaked out by that one. I don't like it that much either, but yeah.
I have been to Disney World in Florida, but not the way.
All right, Jenna, how would you say chiropractic has helped you?
Oh, it's honestly, I found out I had scoliosis coming here, and I've been going to different chiropractors for probably 7 years, and I just heard like inflamed sciatica nerve, like all those kind of problems. But I came here, I got an X-ray, I found out I had scoliosis, and my back has never been better. I get better sleep, I played sports better, I go to the gym better, I know how to move, and I know how to stretch and improve on my own.
Very nice.